Hello, how are you? My name is Kaik and today I'm here to talk to you all about this new product called Auritine. So, if you really want to know more about Auritine and all its truth, I'm going to tell you everything and all the relevant details that everyone is currently talking about. I want to talk about some very important warnings about Auritine, so I suggest you pay close attention and watch this video to the end. And to help you, let's get to the important points you need to know about Auritine. First of all, I want to say that I've had access to the manufacturer's official website and I'll leave it below, in the description of this video, which is the only place on the internet that is available to get the original Auritine. So guys, many people have doubts and are asking what Auritine is, how it works and if it's really good and worth it. The answer to all these questions is yes, Auritine is a hearing loss supplement that is effective in treating tinnitus. It's made with the same ingredients as caffeine, but with fewer side effects. It works by blocking nerve cells from firing excessively, which can help reduce tinnitus symptoms. It is a product that has only been manufactured with nutritional components and cannot harm your health in any way. In addition, tinnitus is a common condition that affects almost 50 million people in the United States. It is characterized by chronic ringing in the ears, which can be caused by a variety of factors, including noise exposure and ear infections. And that's why Auritine is here to help you. If you want a tinnitus treatment and to combat this problem, Auritine really helps your overall process. Auritine is 100% natural and has no contraindications. The benefits are very simple. It will help relieve the symptoms of tinnitus and is an effective tinnitus treatment. And all these benefits of Auritine are due to its freshest and highest quality natural ingredients that exist to support the symptoms of tinnitus, making it the only product that has exotic nutrients and plants designed to further support the proper functioning of your body, being more natural detoxifying ingredients than any other. With Auritine you don't have to worry because it's completely natural, which means it has no side effects and no contradictions either. It's completely safe for you to use, and something that has really boosted customer confidence is that Auritine is FDA approved and GMP certified with manufacturing all in the United States. So guys, Auritine really does work and you can trust this product. You also have to remember that Auritine is a natural product, so of course your body won't give you instant results. There are no magic formulas, so keep that in mind, but once you start taking the treatment, I recommend that you start correctly and take the treatment recommended by the manufacturers. The recommendation is at least 3 to 6 months of treatment to get the best results. Because your body will need some time to start adapting to it, to start absorbing everything into your body. I recommend the kit with 3 to 6 bottles of the product so that you can get the results more quickly and effectively. Another good thing about Auritine is that it offers a 60-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the results. What you need to do now is go to the manufacturer's official website. And if you regret it, contact the support team and ask for a refund, but they trust the product so much that they guarantee that if it doesn't work, they'll give you all your money back. So you have nothing to lose. Just as it has changed the lives of thousands of people, yours too can be hugely impacted by it. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that Auritine will help you a lot to relieve the symptoms of tinnitus, giving you amazing results like never before. I'll stop here and see you next time.